I might, with the camera.
Yeah,
You betcha.
there you go.
We're going to make some money.
Okay, Jim.
Okay. We're changing the small high pressure line. First thing we're going to do is take the other one off. Got that off. It's going to come off like this with 2 gland nuts and 2 collars. These 2 collars, they don't come off all the time, so you can't just back them out and unscrew them and save them. So you order more of this right here. This right here, if the line cracks, keeps the fluid from going straight out and hitting somebody. It'll just cause it to drip. So you'll see a drip at the bottom of this right here or up here, but it won't shoot a spray out. That's when you'll know this has got a crack, because you can't see a crack. Okay, so we're going to grab the new one. First thing we're going to do is put a gland nut on it like this, and then we're going to screw this collar in. Now this collar goes in reverse threads all the way up. Now you want 2.5 to 3 inches of thread showing, or better, not much better. So we want to go to 2.5 to 3 inches. Then we put this one on here. Then we can slide this one on.
So that flex stuff is just like a casing.
Just a backup, yeah, that's all it is.
Gotcha.
Okay. Now we put the other gland nut on.
So if you do spring a loose leak, it won't spray out all over the place.
Right. At one time, there was a gap where this was too short, about like this, and it shot a hole right out. And I had my hand on the machine like this, pushing the buttons, and it went right under my arm.
Oh,
which could have cauterized me too.
Yep.
Okay, so now put the second one on, back it up like this. So this one's holding that. 2.5 to 3 inches of threads, no less. You really don't
2.5 to 3 inches of thread, or 2.5
3 threads. 2.5 to 3 threads.
Okay.
Excuse me. You don't want to go all the way up. They usually don't thread them down this far. They usually give you what you need, and that's it. Going up too far, you're pushing this into it. This is going to get flattened out, mushroomed out, and it's going to cause a leak right here. So you want to stick with 2.5 to 3 inches. That's to clear the hole in the block, which is that weep hole.
Yep.
Okay. So we want that about like that on each of them. Now we're going to go ahead and put our bluing right here on these threads, and then on these threads right here. Now when we tighten it, it's going to travel back. As you can see, it's traveling back. We don't want to travel back too far, but only to the point where it mushrooms at, and it'll stay. So we're safe there, but we just don't want to start it back that far and mushroom that head. So now we're done. Now we put our bluing in, and we put these in together at the same time like this, guiding it on. And then we tighten it down. And that'll be it for that. And that's all that's done to that. Then these, I try to save them by, I cut this off with a saw so I can save this piece. Sometimes I can, sometimes I cannot get these off, like these won't come off.
Gotcha.
So I ordered it.
Now, the bluing isn't blue anymore?
No, the bluing is no longer blue except for what I've got left. It's a white now.
Okay.
And they like that better. I don't.
And all of these are the same? 1, 2, 3, and 4?
Yes. All 4 of these are the same.
Okay.
Exactly. Now, when you order them, they either come from this side or this side. All ours come from the same side, so I have the numbers down.
Okay.
So it's a lot different.
Okay.
So this is a good one, this is a bad one, and I'm only going to gut it and save this piece right here.
Gotcha.
And that's it. And that's for the small high pressure line.
Awesome. Thanks, Jim.